Following the scheduled maintenance on your tools ensures their long-term integrity and preserved function and performance. In this video, we'll show you how to set up service reminders for your items. We'll also show you how to find a list of your items that are in need of service. This way, you don't have to worry about whether your equipment has been properly maintained. From your inventory, select the item you wish to set up service reminders for. Click the arrow to open up your service date info. Here, you'll see a calendar where you can select your item's specific service date. Now select Options in the upper right corner of the calendar. Set your recurring alerts for service. You can choose to be alerted never, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. In your filters, under Filter By, select Need Service. This is your list of items that are in need of service. Past due service needs will show past due in your item service card. Items that need service soon will display the chosen service date. You now have your item's regular service sorted out, and you can rest assured knowing your equipment will be working at full capacity. For more helpful tips like this, please subscribe below and click on another video to keep watching.